Okay, we have a Chevalier Vertical Machining Center model 2040 VMC. Serial number 885B01, and it's new in 2001. It's got a Fanuc OM control, 20 position automatic tool changer, and we're going to run it for you. Okay, he's jogging the axis. By the way, it is a 40 taper cat tooling. You're hearing the x-axis there. It's nice and quiet. It's 40 inches of x-axis travel. That's your y-axis, which is 19.7. And that's your z-axis, also 19.7. So you have basically 40 by 20 by 20. It's a 6,000 RPM spindle.
Okay, tool change.
It's going to do a tool change. Second tool change. Again, it's 15 horsepower Fanuc axis drives and motors, and Fanuc spindle drive and motor.
1,000 RPM.
1,000 RPM. Going up.
Oh, that's 1,000, sorry.
Yes. That's 1,000 RPM.
That's 2,000.
2,000 RPM.
3,000.
3,000 RPM.
4,000.
4,000 RPM. 5,000 RPM. Spindle brake. And that's it. So you can see inside there, that's original paint. You have telescopic weight covers. And hey, thank you for watching the video.